Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JDST. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Today, very nice day, although I'm still a bit skeptical of things, and I'll explain what I mean by that here. And the reason is all revolving around the pink line there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. And the question I have going into really the remainder of the week is today's price movement, so this right here, is this a true break? Is this, like I said, a genuine breakout? What do I mean by true break? Well, a true break has two parts. The first part's always the obvious one. Well, yeah, the price has to break above a certain level. But the second part is, but can the price maintain above that level that it just broke above? And in this, we have many cases where, again, revolving around that pink line, well, there's the price broke above the pink line. Price broke above the pink line. Price broke above the pink line. But broke above the pink line, and once again has broken above the pink line. But if you notice, second part of that whole question again, but can the price maintain above the break? Well, could not maintain, could not maintain, could not maintain, could not maintain. So can it maintain? Can this stay above the pink line going forward? So that's why for me, I'm skeptical. Yeah, today was a nice green candle and all that, but is there any sort of genuine momentum behind it? That remains to be seen. But I mean, if it can come down here, back test that pink line, bounce around, and then head back up, well then yeah, hey, maybe this is the start of something bigger in terms of the breakout. But one day, and with the past history of the quote-unquote story, as I pointed out, that's why to me, I wouldn't quite sit here and say that all this thing's ready to just continue running. Let's just see if the price can maintain and hold on to the gains that it did accomplish today. So what about levels of resistance? So if this move is going to continue upwards, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? First one is actually where the price ultimately was above it but couldn't stay above it, as we've already talked about, and that's right here at $14.85. You can see quite a bit of history with that knocking down the price. Again, did temporarily get above it, but price could not maintain above it, so that'll be the initial level that needs to be broken and stayed above. Next level of resistance after that, up there at that point at $15.50. So there's no doubt about it. Today was a very nice day on the bulls part, but for me, is this a breakout? Is this the start of something bigger? Well, let's see if the price can maintain the break or not. We'll see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.